Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello all and welcome to a lovely little vintage era secure 2-lever, Old English padlock. Patent number 617582 is stamped on the outer casing. It utilizes the same method as other Old English locks but has a twist. The tension portion of the key is rather thin and this means I can't use my off-the-shelf tension tool. So we can revert to tensioning the locking bolt directly by slipping adjacent to the shackle and then pulling on our piece of piano wire. Then it's a case of dancing across the two levers, lifting each on until the bolt throws. A lovely little lock. Stay safe and I will see you all in the next video.